not yet.
Hold it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a little opening.
This is so cute.
You got it.
Oh my god! And it's just a point.
Little muffin. Also got ourselves a little bigger apple.
Oh, that's so cute.
A little bigger apple. Let's see what else here. I don't know what's in here.
Oh shit.
Probably a napkin and stuff. Oh, it's mustard in here.
That's so cute.
And then we got ourselves a bag of chips.
Oh, sabritas.
A bag of chips. That's it.
Yeah, and then a sandwich.
And then a sandwich. Pyramid. And you're already climbing.
Oh god, he's like halfway up there.
How is Dad already up there? Okay, he's on the left side. He's wearing like a turquoise colored shirt. He's all the way up there. What? That was quick. And he's taking a break.
You got it, Dad!
You got this! Woo! You got it, Dad! Dad's going again. Wow. Alright. I'm just gonna put my
Go
phone
up?
in. Yeah.
Go up, let's go.
Let's do this. Up the bus, and we're on our way back to the ferry. I slept a little bit, Atta fell asleep, Dad fell asleep. We were all so tired. Cenote was amazing. I met Michael Demeski and know it like me as a dancer. I'm so happy. I have pictures, I'll probably add that in there somewhere. But oh my god, I'm so happy I met him. Don't know.
Like every sandwich and drink is 59 dollars.
I'm sorry, what?
Starbucks, like to the left.
59
Pesos.
I was gonna say, I'm like, what? I don't know how much that is either. Oh, okay. We're going around. Ooh,
Water looks so
so
gross.
pretty. Well, water looks gross, but further out it looks great. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're on our way back. We have to go through the security, but I'm excited to get back. We still have another 45-minute boat ride back to the boat. So,
Yeah, I don't know how.
I don't even know where the boat is. You can't even see it from here.
That's because of the sea.
Oh, you can kind of see it. It's all the way out there.
Your stickers still?
But yeah, we're going back soon, and I just want to sleep. Well, once we get back, we're gonna take a shower, probably go straight to dinner because we're quite hungry. Yeah. Oh,
I want
we
to see
saw these.
Sanjit Kadabana. Just kidding. I want to see him talk to himself again.
Thank God.
What happened to my big toe?
What the heck? We were walking.
Ooh,
on
look,
our
a
way here. There's a
rainbow.
little rainbow. We were walking on our way here,
Rainbow.
and we saw these interesting animals. I don't know what they were.
They look like wombats.
Wombats. I don't even know what they look like.
I'm gonna type it in Google. Let's see what happens.
Anyway, my phone died, so that happened.
Those animals. Mexico.
Yeah, we're in the line to the ferry, so I'll see you later.
Wombat?
We just made it. I had to find her She found her GoPro.
Alright, you can put that. This is all your stuff.
Yes, I will get that. But yeah, we're back in the stateroom. We're gonna take a shower, then we're gonna go to dinner, and I don't know what's gonna happen after that. We were in the elevator and they were setting up a little 4th of July stuff. It was so cute. They had little cupcakes being lined up. It was so great. It was so cute. Let's see what else. Yeah, so we're just gonna take a shower. We gotta change. We're still going to Silhouette Dining Room because that's where best choice to go for dinner. I don't think we've left yet. I won't know. Am I on pause now? Let's check. Let's see here. I am on port side. It just doesn't look like anybody is coming back on already. I think everyone's on. We're just hoping. Carnival Victory is over there. There's another ship. I think it was the MSC. That's somewhere. I think it's around the boat. But yeah, we're back on the boat. It was like crazy hectic. Like when we looked at the time, it was like 2 minutes before 6:30, which the time we had to be back on the ship. But it's okay. We're here. We all good. But yeah, not much to do anyway as of right now. But we'll see you at dinner.